The flood situation in Assam continued to worsen yesterday as 12 more people, including 4 children, were killed in the last 24 hours. With these deaths, the toll in this year's flood and landslides rose to 100. While 4 deaths were reported from Hojai district, 2 people lost their lives in Kamrup and 3 each were killed in Barpeta and Nalbari. Over 54.7 lakh people have been affected in 4,941 villages across 32 districts. A total of 845 relief camps and 1,025 relief distribution centers have been set up by the district administrations in the affected districts, where over 2.71 lakh people are taking shelter. Today, the Shiv Sena said that it will consider quitting alliance with the Congress and Sharad Pawar's NCP if the rebels come back in 24 hours. The huge climb down comes even as visuals showed 42 MLAs posing with Shiv Sena rebel Eknath Shinde at a hotel in Guwahati. The Congress and Sharad Pawar's NCP, the alliance partners of Shiv Sena in Maharashtra, have suggested that rebel Eknath Shinde be named as chief minister as a way out of the huge political crisis that has engulfed the ruling coalition, said sources. Shiv Sena rebels have written to the governor declaring Eknath Shinde as their leader. Mumbai recorded 2,479 new COVID-19 cases, which is a 50% rise from 1,648 on the previous day, and 1 death due to the infection in the last 24 hours. The city crossed the 2,000 mark after 3 days. Mumbai has been reporting COVID cases in 4 digits since June 7th. Maharashtra is among the states witnessing an upsurge in COVID cases after witnessing a lull for months. The state reported 5,218 new cases today, with its capital city accounting for nearly half of it. 10 states, that are Maharashtra, Kerala, Delhi, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, West Bengal and Gujarat, have over 1,000 active cases. Polling is underway for 3 Lok Sabha and 7 assembly seats across 5 states and 1 union territory. Among the Lok Sabha seats that are up for polls are Azamgarh and Rampur in Uttar Pradesh and Sangrur in Punjab. The assembly seats are Rajendra Nagar in Delhi, Mandar in Jharkhand, Atmakur in Andhra Pradesh and Agartala Town, Bordawali, Surma and Jaba Rajnagar in Tripura.